Good evening. In this video, I'll discuss about quantile regression. Before moving further ahead, let me talk about equation of classical linear model. In this model, yi is nothing but dependent variable, alpha is constant, beta is coefficient of independent variable, and ei is nothing but error term. Basically, this equation uses least square method to estimate the conditional mean of dependent variable, which is yi, on the basis of independent variables. It means this helps to know the conditional mean of dependent variable. Now the question is, if I want to estimate the median or various kind of percentile or quantile, maybe 25th percentile, 75th percentile, etc., then which model can be used? In this case, we talk about quantile regression. So quantile regression is nothing but is an extension of linear regression model which is used when the conditions of linear regression like linearity, homoscedasticity, independence or normality are not met. That's why quantile is also known as percentile. In this quantile regression, this Q tau is nothing but percentile or quantile. So if I talk about the quantile regression equation, Q tau is nothing but percentile or quantile, maybe 25th, maybe 75th or median, equal to beta O of tau plus beta 1 of tau xi and so on. It means with the help of this model, you are not confined to predict the median, but you can also predict various kind of percentile as per your objective, as per your situation. If you see this graph depicts various kind of percentile as well as least square method. So this green line is nothing but least square representation, while this red one, then the yellow, these are of various kinds of percentile ranging from 5% to 95%. So we can also say that 5 quantile to 95 quantile or 5 percentile to 95 percentile. Now the question is, in which condition the quantile regression can be used? Basically, quantile regression can be used in following conditions. The first condition is key assumptions of linear regression is violated. Second is, if your purpose is to predict the median or 25th quantile or any quantile, then you can use this quantile regression. Number third, in case of outliers in your data, then it can be also used. Then error terms or residuals are not normal. So even your residuals are not normal, you can apply this quantile regression. When there is increase in error variance with increase in outcome variables. So these are the conditions in which we talk about quantile regression. So that is all about introduction of quantile regression. I hope you like this video. Thank you very much.